BnkToTheFuture app pricing explained what you get for your money. BnkToTheFuture is a platform for investing in startups, fintechs, and private companies. Many assume startup investing platforms charge steep fees, but BnkToTheFuture is upfront about costs. The app is free to access, with account setup included at no charge. Investments in opportunities generally include a platform fee of 2-5% depending on the deal, with no monthly subscription required. For larger investors, Premium Access offers early deal notifications and dedicated support for a fixed annual fee. Deposits and withdrawals are free, although standard banking fees may apply. Most people get this wrong by assuming these investments are only for venture capitalists. The surprising truth is that BnkToTheFuture allows retail investors to participate in private deals that were previously inaccessible. For instance, a zero investment in a fintech startup could give equity exposure alongside professional investors. In conclusion, BnkToTheFuture combines clear fees with access to startup investing, making it a practical choice for investors seeking diversification beyond traditional markets.